Pink Run Bacolod 2022. October is a month we all look forward to, celebrating all that is beautiful in life with the Mascara festivities. October has also been designated as the month for breast cancer awareness. Bacolod has the highest incidence of breast cancer in the Philippines. Pink Run Bacolod 2022 is actually a part of the Mascara festivities and was held last October 16, 2022, starting at the provincial capital grounds with its 10 kilometers past the boundary into Talisay. This was sponsored by the Occidental Negros Host Lions Club, with the Philippine Society of General Surgeons and the Bacolod Kadughan Foundation for Breast Care. The Pink Run raises funds for diagnosis and treatment of the marginalized women. Pink Run Bacolod 10-10-10 was our first Pink Run in October 10, 2010. Dr. Jose Javellana, who is a Bacolod Kadughan board member and coordinator of our special activities, painstakingly sets up this fun but very complicated event every year, except at the height of the pandemic. This activity attracts runners even from the neighboring provinces. In fact, the 10 kilometers first place runner came all the way from Iloilo. One has the choice of the distance to tackle, like 5 kilometers and 3 kilometers. Others walk in groups like the Santa Clara Subdivision Walkers, the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society. We also encourage students to join in groups as well. Even pets are welcome to walk with their owners. This year, even the Miss Mascara contestants joined in the festivities. We start with Zumba before the gun start of the race at 5:15 a.m. to warm up the runners, and while waiting for the runners to come back, we have free food like arroz caldo, assorted bread with different fillings, eggs, bananas, ice cream, etc. Vitamins and alcohol were given to the runners. We were overwhelmed with the number of registrants this year and actually ran out of singlets. Our youngest runner was 4 years old and our oldest one was members of the Bacolod Kadughan Support Group who are breast cancer survivors were in attendance and walked also as a group. We were there to show women that breast cancer is not a death sentence. We are truly hoping that this event can erase the stigma, diminish the fear that women with breast mass will come for early diagnosis and treatment. Vice President Sara Duterte commended the Bacolod Kadughan Foundation for breast care after our Bacolod Pink Run 2022 for wholeheartedly campaigning for breast cancer awareness. Women are the light and often the force that binds families and communities together.